Hi, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Glary Malware Hunter Professional and claim a free 1-year official giveaway. If you are using Windows Defender and looking for a second layer of protection, then you should definitely try this product. It also comes with features to clean your disk and speed up your computer. First, download the installer from the official website and install it. When you open it for the first time, you will see an interface that looks something like this. As you can clearly see, this is the free version of the app. Now let me show you how to upgrade to the Professional Edition through their ongoing official giveaway promotion. Visit the official giveaway page. As always, the link is in the description box below. Now you will need an email address to claim this free promotion, but as always, we are going to use a temporary email address to protect ourselves from marketing emails and spam. Enter the email address, and once you are ready, click on Get My Coupon Code Now. And immediately you will see your free giveaway coupon code. But keep in mind that this promotion is only available until June 30th, 2026. So make sure to claim this giveaway fast. Now you can use all the features of this app completely free and legally. Make sure to follow this channel for daily updates on future giveaways. Always avoid piracy, as it can put your system at serious risk. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.